Need to update your card or wallet on the Tesco Grocery app? It's now easier and more secure than ever. As of October 2025, the app offers streamlined payment management. First, open the app and log in. Tap Account at the bottom, then select Payment Methods or Cards and Wallets. Choose the card or wallet you want to edit or remove. To add a new one, you can either scan your card or enter the details manually. For security, you'll need to verify the changes via SMS or biometric authentication, like fingerprint or Face ID. Remember, enhanced security features were implemented in response to the 2024 data breach, so this extra step keeps your information safe. When you change your payment details, the app uses payment tokenization. Instead of storing your actual card number, Tesco stores a unique identifier, or token, which is much more secure. This complies with data protection regulations like GDPR and PSD2. The app also supports digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay. Updating your card in one of these wallets will sync across your devices, making it super convenient. Looking ahead, mobile payments are increasingly popular. Tesco app usage is up 25% year over year, and wallets account for 60% of app transactions. Future trends include AI-driven personalization, where the app suggests payment methods based on your purchase history, and integration with emerging technologies like blockchain and buy now, pay later services. Tesco is even exploring augmented reality for seamless payment changes.